Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. So I am at Photo Express, a random place that no one would think about getting home items. Now I'm heading inside just to share with you in case you're in the area, a few stuff that you can grab here, and the prices are really reasonable. So starting off this section, I am seeing some toys and some battery fans. These are great just in case you have electricity outage, in case you're traveling and you know the time is hot. This one here has a radio on it as well for $2,000, and this one is for $2,700. So these are simple products that you can get right here at Photo Express. Most person would think Photo Express only sells or only capture photos or sell picture frames and so, but like these cushions here you can grab as well. If you're a person that don't have any cushion, you can get like a pair. Sometimes they have different stuff. If you watch my haul that I did sometime last year, the black and white cushion that I got, that one was from here for $1,000. These are like $1,200 and different price range that you can get. And I am seeing cushion covers as well. So cushion covers are $350 for one. These are stuff you can start purchasing now. These are like some summer colors, and you have some with some pastel colors that you can grab for the spring. So some of these you can purchase to put down just for those seasons coming up. Over this section, I noticed they had this smokeless grill, $5,800. This would be a great Christmas gift for someone. So you guys can come on and grab this grill. I know if it was in other places, it would be more expensive. You can get a keyboard from like $4,500. These are great gifts that you can come on and purchase for someone. They have ear clipper set, $1,500. So as you see, they have a little of everything here, $2,200. If you have an iron board and need an iron board cover, $600. They have some here as well, and they have tablecloth. So you can see that they have a lot of little stuff that you might need if you're in the area and you don't want to go anywhere too crowded. They have handbags and so, but you know I'm just searching out for the home decor stuff. They have comforters and other sheet sets. So these comforters you can get. They have them in full size, queen size, and these are 4-piece comforter sets. So if you're looking for a reasonable comforter just to make the bed look good, you can always come and grab them. They have these sheet sets for like $2,500 and up. So as I see, so many stuff here, $3,500. So if these are in your color scheme, you can just come and visit them and do a purchase. Tell them that Renzystyle sent you. Some of the sheets, they have them in king as well, and king like $2,900. If you are a person that really look out for like certain thread count, you know you're not going to get the high quality thread count for these prices. So don't come and expect excellent quality sheet for like $2,700. Your bed can still look good for the Christmas even if you're on a low budget. And the sheet set also come in a wide variety of colors, as you can see. Them have them in green, blue, pink, all sort of colors. And no persons always try to seek lunch bag, especially lunch bag that are insulated, that can keep things cool or warm. And they have some here for only $1,300. They have them in gray and so. And if you want a bath mat, because let me tell you, especially when it's nearer to the Christmas, persons might be in the halfway tree area and don't really have the time to go to Crossroads or so to go to Azan. This is a quick place you can come and grab something. So just in case you're short on something when it's near to Christmas, you can always come and grab it. You have picture frames. As it is a photo store, you can get a picture frames here. You can get you put your wall art in, or you can also put your pictures in. So they have different sizes And you know, picture frames are normally a bit pricey, but you can always come and check them out and see what the size they have for your picture. They also have curtains, so if you need a curtain 1100 they can get a piece for, and some of these are blackout, some are patterned as well. If these are your color, you can always come and check out your curtains as well. And they have these pattern curtains for like $3,500. They have this gold and white one, and they have more picture frames as usual. So Photo Express will be wide on picture frame. It's a photo store, so you can always come and get those stuff. They have this nice little coffee maker for $2,500. They have this pot $3,950. They have this rice pot as well, pressure cooker. So you can see most of these stuff you can get for the home. You can get cutting board $350, and I'm sure some of these prices are more reasonable than going into some other stores. So you can get frying pan for $1,000, and they have other curtains that are in packages here. This frying pan here is for $3,200. And they have mugs and glass stuff. Storage containers are also here from $700. So if you're looking for buckets as well, $700. So they have different sizes storage containers. So if you need some stuff to store, you can always come and purchase as well. And those prices aren't bad. They have these organizing containers as well for $800. These are great to organize different spaces in your home, and you guys know that use some containers to hide or clutter sometimes. So if you want to get some containers and you're in the area, it's right across from Giscom Sports in the same plaza, Premier Plaza. So you guys can always come and check them out in Premier Plaza. If you're looking for gifts such as clocks, and so they have a wide variety of clocks, $1,800, $2,700 for this one here, $1,450. These, and some persons would love these with the large numbers as well, so you can always come and grab a clock. So if you know someone that need a clock, now is the time to come and purchase one. And please, when you're coming to purchase, please tell them that Renzystyle sent you. And these would be great gifts or clocks for kids' room. So you know, if you have a children room, you can always purchase these for their room. This would be a nice little gift for them. They have them in pink and yellow, and they have animals on them as well. So these are nice little clocks that you can purchase as gifts. So ensure you come on and check them out. Now, I see something that is really unusual. I don't really see this at much places. These are some LED candles. So you know, Jamaica good on outage, random outage sometime. These are great stuff to have just to put down, just in case we have outage and so. And these are also great pieces to use as decor. So $450, $350, not bad for these LED candles. And it has the flame, the faux flame, so it looks like it's moving and all. So you can always come and get these. I think I'm going to grab a few. They have them in red and white as well. So come on and check them out for that. Over this section, they had some LED bulbs, $250, $300. They had some night lights, scissors, knives, locks, door locks, padlocks, $400. So you can see that they had a wide variety of stuff. So please ensure you come on over and check out Photo Express in Premier Plaza. Tell them that Renee sent you from Renzystyle. And while I was heading out, I saw that they had these automatic water dispensers, so come on and check them out.